Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas, and today I'm back with another fun game. Today I thought we would make Shark Cornhole. It's going to be a really fun game. It's made with all recycled materials. The base of it is a box from Costco, like with the tomatoes come in, and holding it up are antiseptic wipes containers. So besides these two things, what you're going to need is some blue paper, some white paper and a crayon, some scissors, a marker, and a grown-up to cut out the mouth shape because the cardboard's pretty thick. So you gather your stuff and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I've got my blue paper here and I am using 12 by 18 paper because I've got a really big box. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out our shark shape, and we're going to use as much of the paper as we can for this so that the shark is nice and big. And it's just a great big bullet shape. Center at the top. Oops, shoot. There we go. And then next we're going to draw a mouth on him. Okay. Then we can draw some eyes over here and some eyes over there. All right, so I'm going to cut this out. Okay, once you have your your pieces cut out, your shark body and your shark mouthpiece, you're going to want to save this mouthpiece so that we can use it to make the teeth later. Next, you're going to get your cardboard box and you're going to take your shark and trace the mouth out on the box with marker, and then have a grown-up cut that out because the cardboard is really thick and you want to make sure that you don't hurt yourself. Go ahead then and glue down your shark. Just go ahead and glue them right to the box. Just like that. If you don't have blue paper, you can just paint a blue shark right on here. If you've got blue paint, that would work also. Get them nice and glued down there. Next, we're going to take that centerpiece that we had and make our teeth. So I set this aside, take the centerpiece and get some white paper. And we're going to draw all of our teeth above and below where the mouth shape is. So we're going to take this and go above it like that, so we know that all the teeth have to be below there. And we're going to start our teeth here like that, and then like that. And see how I'm bringing the teeth in here like that? Okay, so now we have our shape. All the teeth can be, see where that is? Above and below where the teeth are so they don't interfere with the game. Okay, so it'll be like that. Okay, I'm going to cut that out. Okay, so our teeth are cut out, and we'll bring our shark back. Now we're going to glue our teeth to our shark, top and bottom. Ooh, it's going to look pretty ferocious. So let's just go ahead and put some glue on there. Be sure that, yeah, that's right. Up on the top is teeth. Then on the bottom, see how it's really coming together. Now you want them to be like that so that when you tip it over, they don't interfere too much in the game. So now we've got our shark looking pretty good. So next we need some water. So I grabbed a piece of white paper next, and we were going to make some waves. Let me grab that. Okay, next we have a piece of white paper, and we're going to draw in waves. Let's see, just waves all the way across. And I'm just using a blue crayon, a little piece of blue crayon, and I'm just going to color it all in blue. the whole thing. I'm going to attach this with more glue on top of the shark, and then I'm going to tape it to the sides of the box. So let's grab our shark again. There he is. And I have the waves cut out. And we're just going to tape it down. Kind of see where we're going with that. We're going to tape it down to the box, and our shark game will almost be all done. So let me do that. And okay, so now our game is all pulled together, taped around, and our shark is affixed to the box. And now all we need to do is lay him on the ground and have him be up at an angle so that you can throw the beanbag. And to do that, I just used 2 antiseptic wipe containers, and I flipped the box around, and in each of the corners, I just taped one of the containers to the end of the box, just like that. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to make the beanbags next, and then show you how the game works. For the beanbags, I just used little baggies, like regular old sandwich bags. And you can use beans or rice, whatever you've got at your house. And I made a little small fish shape out of construction paper. And you can cut 2 at a time if you're handy with the scissors. Like that. Like that. Take it away. Drew a little face on there. Little face. Ooh. And then I take the bag like that, and I put the fish in the corner of the bag like that. Then I'm going to fill it with beans and tie it with a twist tie, or if you have pipe cleaner, you can fill it with pipe cleaner. So now let me go set the game up and show you how it works. Okay, so now our game is all set up, and I've got it over here on the landing. And you just take your bean bags and you just take turns and see if you can get it into the shark's mouth. And you can be on teams, not so much. There's one, not so much. Here we go. But it's a lot of fun. So you make a couple of them, see what you can do with your time and your extra recycled materials. And I will see you next time with another fun game. Bye for now.